In this video, I want to share one advice you should never take from any woman. If you do, they will eventually lose interest in you and begin to pull back gradually, because women do not want you to listen to them. They want you to make your own decisions that are good for you. Also, women do not always know what they want, what turns them on, or makes them more interested in a man. Some women ask men to be open and to feel free to be vulnerable around them. If a woman ever tells you this, do not listen. Never take this advice from a woman. That is a trap you should never fall into, because women may say they want you to be open with them, but they do not realize that your openness makes them lose interest in you in the process. Women are often emotionally fragile. They seek a man who is emotionally strong so they can hide their insecurities and weaknesses behind him. Emotionally stable men are the rock for women. If a man begins to show weakness around a woman, it automatically becomes unsafe for her. It's like a danger zone. She can no longer feel secure and safe. Women subconsciously feel that a man who cannot handle his own challenges cannot have any spare energy to protect their interest, so they'll begin to look elsewhere for safety. So if a woman tells you that she likes her man to be vulnerable around her, to express emotions and share his challenges, do not listen. She may think it's fine, but when you begin to be vulnerable around her, she will begin to lose interest in you without even realizing why. She can't pinpoint. That is because you are weak and vulnerable around her. This is why you have to be strong and stoic around women. Never show any kind of weakness around them. If you feel hurt and need to cry, go into the bathroom and do it where she can't see you. Then come out after wiping your eyes. Do not leave any sign of weakness around women. Never be vulnerable around her. No matter how much she pressures you, keep your challenges and troubles to yourself and handle them like a man. Women will not help. They just want to hear stories, which will make them lose interest over time. So if a woman tells you that she doesn't mind her man being vulnerable around her, or that it turns her on, do not listen. Women do not even know what truly turns them on. They don't understand themselves or why they act in certain ways. This is one advice you should never take from any woman as a man. Otherwise, that same woman will punish you for listening to her. So for the last time, never listen to a woman's advice to be vulnerable around her. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. See you in our next video.